How to replace a Human Touch Novo X rear shroud. You will need a short-handled Phillips head screwdriver, a wire cutter, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Use a short-handled Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that secure the rear shroud to the chair. Pull the shroud away from the chair, then flip it upside down onto the floor behind the chair. Use a wire cutter to cut the zip tie that secures the left-hand coiled cable to the shroud, then disconnect the connector. Cut the zip tie that secures the right-hand coiled cable, then disconnect the connector. Remove the shroud from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Place the new shroud upside down with the connectors facing the chair. Connect the left-hand connectors, then use a new zip tie to secure the end of the coiled cable to the left-hand post. Cut the excess zip tie. Connect the right-hand connectors, then use a new zip tie to secure the end of the coiled cable to the right-hand post. Cut the excess zip tie. Flip the shroud to the upright position. Note the slots on the underside of the shroud and the corresponding posts on the chair. Lower the slots onto the posts, then push the shroud slightly forward to engage it. Replace the 2 screws to secure the shroud to the chair. If the screws will not go in, the posts on the chair are likely not installed properly into the slots on the shroud. Plug in the chair, then power it on. Power on the remote. Press the power button again, then select power off to restore the chair. The chair is restored when the door touch panel lights turn from red to blue and the remote automatically powers off.